Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will review or we will provide you some information related to 5410 weight loss program or their treatments or their meditation or their supplements. Okay, so you should buy their supplements or not, does their product really work or not. So in this video we will cover lots of information, so let's get started. So first of all, if we talk about this brand, basically this brand is very popular and this brand is approx like 8 to 10 years old, and in the field of this weight loss trainings, and you can like weight loss supplements, and you can see over here like they have lots of product like they have also some kind of treatments they are also providing, like semaglutide and trizeptide and trizeptide. So basically their product, they have lots of product and they have lots of offers also, like you can choose their weight loss program also, their hair related problem also, and their program is starting, you can say like with subscription model also. Okay, so basically if we talk about you should buy any treatment on this platform or not. So if we talk about this brand, basically this brand is 100% legit because they have good reviews on Trustpilot, and the brand is very popular and very old, and their profile is already claimed, so it means the brand is 100% legit. But if we talk about like the product, basically when you use any product, we are not talking about this brand, we are talking about general terms, like when you use any product which is related to weight loss, which is related to hair related problems like minoxidil and all, any kind of product, it will take time to give you results, and the minimum time period is approx like 12 weeks. When you use any supplement, you can say like you have to wait for at least 12 weeks, and in some condition it will give you results in 10 weeks or 8 weeks, but in maximum cases after 12 weeks you will see some changes. So if you have so much money to invest in the treatment for approx 3 months or 12 weeks or more than 12 weeks, then you should try their product, otherwise you should not, because if you invest your money for only 2 months and in the period of 2 months maybe you will not get any result. So when you use any product, when you use this brand or when you use any product, make sure you should take treatment at least for 12 weeks. Okay, now if we talk about like the product, basically they have lots of products, so covering all the product in the same video is not possible. So we will cover you can say like separate videos. We will create separate videos according to the brand and according to the product, so you can watch their videos you can say like in other methods. So thanks for watching this video, and in the terms of legitness and all, product is really good and the brand is really good. So the brand is 100% legit. You can make a treatment and you can take treatment and you can get the benefits. Okay, so thanks for watching this video my dear friends. Bye bye, take care.